Today, I am reviewing Bonnor 6QT Stand Mixer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Bonnor 6QT Stand Mixer is a game changer for anyone who loves baking or cooking at home. From the moment you take it out of the box, it's clear that this mixer is built with both power and convenience in mind. The sleek green design is not only modern and stylish, but it also houses a 660-watt pure copper motor capable of tackling even the toughest doughs, thick creams, and heavy batters. With 11 precise speed settings and a pulse function, you have complete control over every mixing task, whether you're kneading bread, whipping cream, or preparing cake batter. The planetary mixing system ensures that every ingredient is blended evenly, eliminating lumps and giving you professional quality results every time. One of the standout features of this mixer is the LED touchscreen control panel with 4 preset smart programs. Even beginners can achieve perfect results without any guesswork. You can simply select the program for kneading, whipping, mixing, or stirring, and the mixer takes care of the rest. The one-touch timer adds another layer of convenience, allowing you to set the mixing time and walk away, letting the mixer work its magic while you focus on other kitchen tasks. This makes it perfect for busy home cooks who want precision without having to hover over the machine. The Bonnor mixer doesn't just perform well, it also operates quietly. Thanks to its triple noise reduction design and sturdy silicone suction cups, it minimizes vibrations and reduces noise by 20%, making your baking sessions peaceful even in open kitchens. The tilt head design further enhances ease of use, allowing you to quickly attach or remove the stainless steel bowl and accessories without any hassle. Speaking of accessories, the mixer comes with a dough hook, beater, and whisk made from lightweight, aircraft-grade aluminum. These tools are durable, dishwasher-safe, and designed to handle a variety of recipes, from fluffy meringues to dense bread dough. Another feature that makes this mixer highly practical is its wide ingredient inlet and removable baffle. You can add sugar, butter, milk, or other ingredients mid-mix without interrupting the process, saving time and ensuring consistent results. The 6-quart stainless steel bowl provides ample capacity for large batches, making it ideal for families or home bakers who love to entertain. Whether you're making cookies, muffins, bread, or whipped cream, the Bonnor mixer makes every task smoother and more efficient. Durability and safety are also a priority with this mixer. It includes overheat protection, so it can handle up to 30 minutes of continuous mixing without any risk, and the tilt head mechanism automatically stops the mixer when lifted. Backed by a 365-day warranty and responsive customer support, you can use this mixer with complete peace of mind. Overall, the Bonnor 6QT Stand Mixer combines power, precision, and convenience in a stylish package, making it an excellent addition to any kitchen and an ideal gift for baking enthusiasts or family members who love to cook. This mixer truly transforms baking from a chore into a joy, offering professional-level performance and user-friendly features that make every recipe a success. Whether you're an experienced baker or just starting out, the Bonnor Stand Mixer is built to deliver consistent, reliable results for all your culinary creations.